To run a successful company of one, you have to execute daily operations, while simultaneously tracking an endless stream of external market shifts. In strategy games, the areas of the map you cannot see yet are covered by the fog of war. In business, it hides competitor pricing, new emerging suppliers, and sudden consumer trends. Every hour a solo operator spends manually sleuthing the web for these details drains vital energy away from actually building the product and making decisions. Attempting to manually clear that map becomes the exact bottleneck preventing a single-player business from scaling up. Throwing a heavy premium AI model at this problem is expensive. Asking a top-tier creative model to scour the internet leads to massive API bills for repetitive data scraping. The Realm framework solves this with its Class 3 agent, the Hunter. The Hunter is explicitly designated as the one who finds. It's built to leave the core systems, venture into unknown territory, and return with raw intelligence. The answer to market blindness is deploying a dedicated scout built exactly for the terrain. The Hunter operates with extreme efficiency, entirely because of its strict boundaries. First, the Hunter is forbidden from analyzing the data it collects. That job belongs to the mage. Second, it does not execute business tasks based on findings. That is reserved for the warrior. Finally, it never drafts marketing copy. The bard handles communication. By stripping away the need to process complex logic or write creatively, the agent moves at maximum speed with singular focus. Without the burden of thinking, the Hunter operates as a high-velocity machine built exclusively for seeing. To do this, hunters leverage fast, web-native AI models capable of aggressive, real-time internet scraping without hallucinating complex narratives. If you want to evaluate a new artisan supplier, the Hunter rapidly pulls pricing history, reads customer reviews across platforms, and logs their social media footprint. All of this raw data is securely deposited into the Codex, the shared written memory of the entire Realm system. Operating under Autonomy Tier 1, the Hunter runs silently in the background and writes findings directly to the Codex without waiting for human permission. Because of this direct access, the company's knowledge base actively expands while the human player is entirely offline. This chart compares the API costs of high-volume intelligence gathering. You see the massive price difference between running a premium creative model and a fast, search-optimized model. Running continuous web searches on a heavy model creates a volume trap, quickly tearing through a monthly budget. The Realm architecture prevents this cost bleed by assigning a specific, highly efficient search model directly to the Hunter class by default. The Scout protects the business's capital while scaling its intelligence, serving as a strict cost control protocol for an automated company. The return on this structure is felt the moment the player logs into their morning session to find a structured intelligence report already waiting in the Codex. With this system in place, the previously hidden variables in the market are now perfectly mapped and completely understood. This raw intelligence immediately sets up the rest of the crew. The mage has the data needed to run financial projections, and the warrior has the parameters required to execute tasks. You cannot make accurate strategic decisions in the dark. The Hunter clears the map so you can see